guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me a 4x4. I think this is either a 12-inch or a 10-inch bob, but yeah, this is a 4x4 bob. This wig literally took me roughly 30 minutes to install. Like, I did the pre-prepping from before, so I plucked, bleached, and like straightened it before, and then it took me roughly about 30 minutes, but for YouTube's sake, I'm going to say 10 minutes. But yeah, I didn't record the box that it came in, but I'm going to be linking like a next video where I show you guys like what they normally send to me inside like their packaging. But for this video, I will be focusing mainly on the installation of the hair and yeah, pretty much the installation of the wig. So I'm gonna let you guys watch as I install this wig, and if there's anything that I need to say to you guys, then I will definitely come and say it. But for now, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video. Honestly guys, the one thing that I really love about Luvmehair is the fact that their laces are always like top quality lace. Like, I've never worked with a lace from Luvmehair before where I was like struggling or trying to make it match or trying to finesse it, or you know, with the laces that they sent to me, like I can literally wear my hair without baby hairs. Like, I normally just go in and add the baby hairs because I want to add the baby hairs, but guys, the lace is like A1. Like, do you see the lace right now? Like, if I'm not lifting it, then you guys won't actually see it. Like, I'm telling you, Luvmehair always come through with the HD laces. Like, they do. Yeah, they're the plug. I always tell people, like, every time when a customer, or like not a customer, but like every time when like a client or someone that I've done their hair, or my friends or family, whoever it is, every time they ask me like, you know, for lace, who has the best lace, I always say Luvmehair is like literally easily in my top 5. Yeah, their laces are like A1. Like, for this wig, I didn't even need to put any for my baby hairs or anything. Like, look at that. Like, it looks like a bust down, like a middle part bust down, literally. Yeah, like, don't play.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given.
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the hair will be down in the description box. I don't remember if there's a coupon code, but if there's one, it will be down in the description box as well. Once again, I would like to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love how silky this hair was. The lace was on point. Everything was on point for me. Actually, I thought this wig was a little bit big for my head. Yeah, that's the only thing. But the quality of the hair is A1. The quality of the lace is A1. You know, the only thing was the size, but that's just my head. Apart from that, everything else was on point for me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.